Video 2. Creating your first agent's time to build some agents. There are two ways to do this, the easy way and the manual way. Let's start easy. Type /agents in Claude Code. You'll get an interactive menu. Choose Create New Agent. Claude walks you through it. What's the agent's name? What should it do? Which tools does it need? What's its system prompt? Pro tip, be specific in the description field. Include words like proactively or must be used to make Claude more likely to auto-delegate to this agent. Code Reviewer Expert is weak. Use proactively after code changes to check security, style, and bugs is strong. For tools, less is more. A read-only planner doesn't need write access. A test runner needs read, bash, and maybe grep. A security auditor might only need read and grep. Limit what each agent can touch. Now the manual way. Create a markdown file in .claude/agents. Here's the structure. 3 dashes. Name, your agent name. Description, when to use this agent. Tools, comma-separated list. 3 dashes again. Then your system prompt below. Project agents go in ~, the Claude/agents for all your projects. Project agents override user agents if names conflict. Your system prompt is where the magic happens. Give your agent personality. Give it checklists. Tell it what to look for, what to avoid, how to format responses. Make it opinionated. You are a senior code reviewer obsessed with security beats you review code. Once saved, Claude loads it automatically. No restart needed if you use /agents. Manual files need a restart. Part 3 covers using agents in real workflows. Visit dmpgh.com for examples and templates.